everyone, welcome to my channel Hidden Vault. Today I will be discussing on skeleton of Java program, and also we will learn each and every syntax written in our very first Java program, which is printing hello world in a screen. And in my last video I have shown you how a program can be executed with command prompt. Now I will understand each and everything. So if you see the very first line, that is which is import java.lang. That means we are importing a language package. So lang basically the package name. Lang is a very basic Java package. If you write here, if you can say it, lang is basic Java package. And before writing your code in Java, you need to import this java.lang package. And sometimes you may forget to import this package, but don't worry, it will be automatically imported by default. Okay, so don't worry about that. But it will be a good practice if you write or if you import this java.lang package before writing your Java. Okay, so as of now you can remember like this: lang is a Java package. Now the next thing is class. In Java, each and everything should be written inside a class, even the main method. Look here, the main method is here. Each and everything should be written inside a class. Okay. So as of now you can remember like that. In Java class, each and everything will be present, even the main method also. And one more thing, if you see the class name, which is my first, and the file name is same as file name. So you can write like this: the class name will be same as file name. Class name will be same as file name. Same as file name. But it's not a rule that always the class name will be same as file name. I will show you in my later videos. But as of now, you can understand the class name should be same as file name. And look, I have written all my coding, all the syntaxes inside this class. This is the curly brace start, and this is my end. So each and everything is written inside this class. Next one is the method, the main method. For executing Java program, you need to write or you need to declare the main method like C. In C, we have written like this void main or int main like this. But in Java, you need to declare like this. Always you need to declare like this: public, static, void main, string argument. Okay. So this is our main method. Method name is main, and void is our return type. And in Java, the return type of that method is always void. Return type of the main method is always void. But in C, you can see like int main or void main, something like that. But in Java, it should be void. Okay. And now why we have written public and static? Public is basically inside a class if we want to access, because whenever we will be running this code, JVM will try to access this main method. If it's written in public, then JVM will easily access this main method, right? So that's why I have written it public. As of now, you can understand like this. So public is basically if you access anything inside the class, you need to write a public. And also we know that void is a return type, because main return type of main method. And string and argument, this is basically the command line argument. You don't need to worry about this command line argument at this moment. I will be showing you in a separate lecture. So you can say like this is a command line argument. And why static? Now another thing is that why static? Now in Java, this is a rule that we cannot use a class unless we create an object for that class. So you can write in bulletin point that we cannot cannot write or not write, we cannot use a class unless we create an object for that class. But if you want to create, if you want to create, not if you want to create, if you want to use that class without creating any object, then on that point of time you just need to use the static. So you can write like this: we cannot use a class unless we create an object for that class. But if we want to use, if we want to use if we want to use a class, so here the class is my first, I am just using, I am trying to using my first class. I want to execute whatever present inside this my first class and inside this main method. That's why just I am just writing static here, because I haven't declared any object for this class my first. So that's why we have written like this: we cannot use a class unless we create an object for that class. But use if we want to use a class without creating any object, without creating any object, then we need to use static. Okay. And okay, so up to this is clear. So first I am importing the Java language package, then I am just creating one class, and inside that class I am just creating the main method. I am declaring the main method, and inside that main method I will write whatever I want to execute. Here I am just trying to print hello world. Okay. So for printing in a system, for printing, we need to write a syntax like system.out.println. So the println here, println is the method, and println is a method, and system is a class, and out is the object. So system.out.println, that means I am trying to print in my system, and which is hello world. So for printing anything in your console screen, you need to write this syntax system.out.println. So you need to write like this: for printing anything in screen, you need to write system.out.println, and inside that you need to pass that string, this hello world. That means I am trying to print hello world on my screen. So this is all about the skeleton of Java program, and we have understood each and everything. And now in my next video, I will show you how we can read and write value from the keyboard. Okay. So till now, if you have any doubt, please comment on my channel. And if you really like this video, please like it and